Hi guys, so as you probably notice under your news tab in your Trimble Business Center when you started, there is a new version 2023.10 coming, and on October 25th at 8 o'clock Mountain Time we'll have a little webinar about the new features. So if you want to register for that, you click this link at the bottom here and it will open up a web page with the same information. So they're gonna introduce some AI based deep learning to train your own region classes in the Trimble Business Center for terrestrial point clouds and new mobile based payment inspection routines. There are going to be some new simplified workflows to seamlessly move data from the field to office, leveraging Trimble Connect, and continued enhancement feature services to connect service data into databases, and added support to Trimble Maps for more robust site context and consistency with Trimble Access. So once you fill it out, you get a quick reminder for October 25th, which is tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Mountain Time, where we're gonna learn some more about the Trimble Business Center 2023.10 edition. So really excited, and stay tuned for more info about it.